Why choose Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. It's the perfect place to develop skills in a practical setting, and this opens doors to multitude of career opportunities. Vocational training in Germany is another ladder to career success. I welcome you today to today's video. Let's not forget, before you start vocational training, you must understand your German language. Most of the vocational training in Germany, you must, to be able to assess them, you must understand your German language. So if you have not started your German language, what are you waiting for? If you have, give yourself a big thumbs up, and if you are finished, give yourself a big pat at the back. Talking about vocational training, to start, there are a lot of things that are involved. Some have been discussed in my previous videos, the tips and tricks that you can apply, the types of vocational training, what is expected of you, and most importantly, of course, the German language, I always say, and the Anerkennung, that is the standardization of your document. If you have not done that, this you have to do. And how can you do that? You can send us a direct mail where we direct you to the right places where you can have your documents standardized, because any certificates I mention in any video, you have to understand you must have the equivalence of the certificates in the German education system before you proceed with your vocational training. So let's dive into today's video. This is a continuation video. I have done other videos when it comes to electrical engineering Ausbildung in Germany, and this is a continuation video, that is Berufe in der Informations- und Kommunikationstechnik, that is profession in information and communication technology. This video you can find in my playlist, Electrical Engineering Ausbildung in Germany. There are other videos that are already with different career options that are already explained in this playlist when it comes to electrical engineering. So I encourage you to watch the video and watch this video as well to the end. So talking about the first career when it comes to electrical engineering in Germany, I have as a picture beside me showing Fluggerät Elektronika, that is aircraft electronics technician. If you want to become an aircraft electronics technician in Germany, the duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? Yes. Like I said earlier, apart from the German language, you need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss. That is your university entrance qualification, your high school living certificate, and your German language, of course. So if you want to become an aircraft electronics technician, what do you do? What is expected of you? You build electrical and electronic systems and devices in the aircraft and ensure their smooth operation. You make sure you connect the control, the signal, and the data cables. You install electrical and electric avionics devices and system. You also maintain electrical parts. You analyze them. You regulate the technology as well as electrical drive and transmission technology. You perform tests. You correct technical parameters. If they are defective, you replace them. And after doing all this, you thoroughly check the quality of the work that has been performed and the functionality of the aircraft technology. You carry out work according to specifications and document them. And if necessary, you authorize and carry out technical approval of the aircraft. So where do you find employment if you want to become an aircraft electronic technician? As the profession is, you find your employment in companies that are in the aerospace industry. You find employment at airlines, and you find employment at airport repair and maintenance workshop. That is where you find employment. It is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. So we have come to the first career, the end of it. The second career I'll still discuss in this video, so I'll see you in the second part of the video. Watch the video to the end. So welcome to the second part of the video. The second career option, as the picture beside me is showing, is the Acoustikerin, that is hearing aid acoustician. The duration is 3 years and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. So do you need any certificate apart from your German language, which is very important? You need your Hochschulreife, your Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, that is your university entrance qualification certificate, your high school living certificate, your secondary school living certificate. With any of this, you can access this vocational training, and most importantly, your German language, which is very important. Like I said earlier on, if you don't understand the equivalence of the certificate you have to the German educational system, you have to standardize your certificate, so you understand the equivalence of the certificate you have to the German education system. So what do? You advise customers, if you're an hearing aid acoustician, you advise them on different hearing aid devices and hearing protection. You address their individual needs, whether they are dealing with age-related hearing loss or increased noise exposure at work. So you examine how well customers can perceive high and low tones of speech. You also manufacture ear molds for hearing aids as hearing protection. You make sure that the earpiece that is being installed, they are custom earpiece that work in the acoustic fine adjustments that is in relevance to the customer needs. Now, after creating the ear molds, you instruct them how to use the hearing system and perform service and maintenance measure. You also perform commercial and administrative tasks, such as handling correspondence, calculating quotes, preparing invoices or health insurance invoices for companies or for customers. You create the receipt. So where do you find employment? You find employment in hearing aid companies. You find employment in the industrial manufacturers of hearing system. That is where you find employment. Don't forget, the duration is 3 years and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So I encourage you, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. We have come to the end of the video. This video you can find in the playlist Electrical Engineering Ausbildung in Germany. So if this video has helped you, I encourage you, because you've learned more career options when it comes to electrical engineering in Germany, I encourage you to share with more amazing people like you, so they can have the information as well. And if you have not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe, so when I drop more career options when it comes to electrical engineering Ausbildung in Germany, you are the first to know. So turn on your notification bells. This way you don't miss any video or any update from us. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you.